Cargo Support have implemented the Digital Waybill Forgery-proof based on a legally secure blockchain. Several customers have already successfully introduced the digital proof of delivery because this saves empty runs, back office work, millions of sheets of paper, and increases the margin. But most importantly, it meets the shipper's requirement for a fast return flow of the delivery notes. The digital waybill can of course be used in all transport branches. In this video, we show an example workflow for the provision of an export container, concluding with the forgery-proof digital signature. One thing in advance, whether the driver should use a digital proof of delivery, interchange, or other document in the app at the loading or unloading point is controlled by the settings in the Documents Matrix in the CS Job freight forwarding software. At this point, the defaults for the document types, waypoints, and, for example, the verification type can be set. The required accompanying documents per loading point and client are also stored here. By the way, the full integration of the driver app into the freight forwarding software is an enormous advantage. You gain process reliability and the quality of the data increases. Now to the example workflow. The driver is already in the process of carrying out a tour. The provision of an export container for loading has been completed. The driver confirms the status and is then requested to enter the actual times for registration, the start of the provision, as well as the sign out. These entries can become important later for eventual waiting time calculations. Therefore, the loading times entered are automatically checked for plausibility in the app immediately after entry. If necessary, the driver can document any damage to the container. It can then be photographed with the mobile phone camera, as shown here, and after that highlighted. Here, the net weight is entered. And after a brief query as to whether the seal is intact, the seal number is scanned. Finally, the name and, if applicable, the email address of the person signing the waybill is entered. Content will be checked again. Concluding, the document is confirmed with the digital signature. As additional proof of the driver's appearance at the loading or unloading point, the digital waybill can also be digitally stamped. And with this, the waybill is sent immediately according to a scheme defined in the forwarding software. Each recipient has the option of verifying the digital waybill. This way, you can use our blockchain technology as your personal digital notary's office. The hash values are checked and matched at cargosupport.net/blockchain. By using the digital proof of delivery, you not only meet the requirements of large shippers, but also prove your digital competence. In doing so, you save personal expenses, increase your margin, and operate contactlessly in times of COVID-19.